Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Collective, your go-to spot for the freshest takes on the world's most exciting rides. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an epic review like this one. Today we're diving headfirst into something that's got the entire off-road community buzzing. The 2026 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser, also known as the Land Cruiser FJ. Toyota has taken the legendary Land Cruiser DNA, shrunk it down to a more nimble size, and created what feels like the spiritual successor to the classic FJ Cruiser we all loved back in the day. This isn't just another compact SUV, it's a proper body-on-frame beast built for real adventures, and I'm stoked to break it all down for you. Picture this. Toyota has crafted a true mini legend that's compact enough to zip through city streets or tight trails, but tough enough to tackle the roughest terrain without breaking a sweat. At just over 180 inches long, 73 inches wide, and nearly 77 inches tall with a 101.6-inch wheelbase, the Baby Land Cruiser FJ is about the size of a modern Bronco Sport, but carries that unmistakable boxy, retro Toyota charm. Those round LED headlights up front scream classic Land Cruiser vibes paired with chunky body cladding, a rear-mounted spare tire, and modular front and rear corner bumpers that you can swap out easily if you clip a rock or a tree branch on the trail. It's like Toyota read our minds. Durability meets practicality in a way that makes this thing feel invincible for weekend warriors and serious overlanders alike. Under the hood, it's powered by a reliable 2.7-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine, churning out 161 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to a smooth, 6-speed automatic transmission and a part-time four-wheel drive system with low-range gearing, which means it's ready to crawl over boulders, ford streams, or conquer steep inclines without any drama. This setup draws from the same tough IMV platform as the Hilux pickup, so you know it's engineered for longevity in harsh conditions across Asia, the Middle East, Latin America, and potentially beyond. No hybrid gimmicks here, just straightforward, proven power that prioritizes off-road capability over flashy acceleration. Expect solid low-end torque for trail work, and while it's not a drag racer, it'll get you where you need to go with confidence. Whether you're hauling gear to a remote campsite or just daily driving with a bit of flair, step inside and the interior keeps that no-nonsense Toyota spirit alive. It's all about function over fluff, with durable materials that can handle mud, sand, and whatever else you throw at it. The dashboard is set nice and low for excellent forward visibility, perfect when you're picking your line on uneven ground. You've got a landscape-oriented touchscreen for infotainment, intuitive controls, and even MOLLE panels on the doors and tailgate so you can mount recovery gear, lights, or tools exactly where you want them. Seating for 5 is comfy, yet rugged, with plenty of space for passengers and cargo. Think family trips mixed with serious expeditions. And get this, Toyota designed it with real-world use in mind, including options like a snorkel for deep water crossings. It's not loaded with luxury bells and whistles like heated everything or a massive sound system, but that's the point. This is a tool for exploration, not a boulevard cruiser. Now let's talk why this Baby Land Cruiser FJ feels like such a game changer. In a world where so many off-road SUVs are just lifted crossovers with fancy marketing, Toyota delivers the real deal here. It's got that ladder frame toughness, high ground clearance, and approach angles that put it right up there with icons like the Suzuki Jimny or even a scaled-down Defender. Early estimates put pricing around $35,000 to $45,000, depending on the market and trim, starting as low as the mid-20s in Japan, which makes it accessible for a wide range of buyers who want capability without the six-figure price tag of a full-size Land Cruiser. Whether you're comparing it to the old FJ Cruiser from a decade ago or eyeing competitors like the Jeep Renegade, this one stands out for its repair-friendly design and that unbreakable Toyota reliability. Fuel economy should be decent for its Class 2 thanks to the efficient engine, making it practical for longer hauls. Of course, it's not perfect for everyone. If you're in the US or Europe right now, availability might take a bit longer since it's rolling out first in other regions, and some folks might wish for a bit more horsepower or a hybrid option down the line. But for what it is, a compact, authentic off-roader that captures the fun and freedom the FJ name promises, it's a winner. I've been following Toyota's prototypes closely, and seeing it in the metal just confirms it's built to last generations, much like the Land Cruisers that have conquered the globe for decades. If you're dreaming of your next adventure rig or just love seeing how Toyota keeps the off-road flame alive, the 2026 Baby Land Cruiser FJ is one to watch. It proves that smaller can still be mightier, blending heritage with modern practicality, in a package that's pure joy to drive, or should I say, pure FJ freedom. Alright folks, that's my full rundown on the 2026 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser FJ here on the Car Collective. What do you think? Would you take this little legend on your next trail run, or are you holding out for the bigger brother? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, comparisons, and real-world tests. We've got a killer lineup coming up, including some wild comparisons and first drives, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.